The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office has released body camera video of a deadly officer-involved shooting that happened on Jacksonville's east side. The video includes narration from a JSO chief explaining why officers opened fire on Justin Reed. News 4 Jax reporter Bree Isom joins us live now. Bree, what are we learning from this video, which is almost a year later?
Yes, almost a year later, and I talked to our crime and safety expert, Ken Jefferson, and he says that he's surprised it took him this long to release the video, but he says that he was impressed by the transparency. Take a look. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office says Justin Darrell Reed was shot a dozen times during an armed confrontation with officers outside of his East 63rd Street home. This was on the city's east side. JSO just released body camera footage about a year later. News 4 Jax crime and safety expert Ken Jefferson questions why it took so long to release this video, but he applauds the transparency.
They're doing a much better job of showing these shootings now, since police shootings at large get so much scrutiny. You got a lot of Monday morning quarterbacking, so when you break it down and explain it and you show the evidence that's before them.
In the video, JSO Chief Scott Gingy narrates the surveillance footage released from a church in the neighborhood. He does the same thing for the body camera footage. The footage release shows a view from inside the police car as Justin Reed came up and hit the barrel of his rifle on the hood of the undercover police car. JSO says Reed fired his rifle one time in the direction of the officer, striking the roof of the police car. You can see him point the rifle at the police car in this body cam footage. You can see one officer exit the car and the officer that was on the outside say, "We need a rescue," after Reed was shot. Two officers shot at Reed, but neither of their body cameras were switched on at the time. In April, the state attorney's office ruled the shooting justified based on witnesses' statements, investigative reports, and this church's surveillance video released before the body cam video.
But officers are trained to stop the threat. If that person still is in a threatening manner, even if they're on the ground and they're able to grab that weapon and hurt that officer, the officer is justified in continuing to stop that threat by shooting.
Now, Ken Jefferson says that if you're ever in that situation where an unmarked car is parked outside of your home, call the police. Don't confront them yourself. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Bree Isom, Channel 4, the local station.